And please, anytime you are solving a physics question of this nature, please read the question very carefully before you start solving. Read the question very carefully before you start solving, because some physics questions are very, very critical. They require you to think first before you solve it. Now, for example, this question states that a man drags 65 kg bag of flour 20 meters along the floor with a force of 300 newton and then lift it up to a tank whose platform is 0.75 meter high. Calculate the work done by the man. Now, I say read the question and understand. If you read the question very carefully, this question is in two phases. We are asked to find the work done now. Some people will just go and write the formula for work done and just solve it, but we understand the question. Now, the question is in two phases. First, a man does a work by dragging a bag of 65 kg along 20 meter floor. Now, it's like you have a bag from up there. So you go there, you use your force, drag that bag of rice and bring it to this place. And now from this place, you want to carry this bag, lift it up again and put it on top something, a platform, okay? So you are doing two work. First, you use your force to drag the bag from that place to this place. And when it is here, you carry it from here and then put it on top the tank, okay? So work is done is in two phases. So but first of all, let's talk about the data we have been given. So from the question, we have that the mass of the bag. So right solution. The mass of the bag is 65 kg. So mass 65 kg. And then the distance which this man used to drag this is 20 meters. And then the force used is 300 newton. Then the height that this bag is raised is 0.7 meters. So height is 0.75 meters. So we are asked to calculate the work done. Remember, I told you work done is in two phases. So we are going to calculate the work done for the first phase. Now, work done so first we calculate the work done in dragging the bag, okay? So work done in dragging the bag is going to be force times distance. This is the work done in dragging that bag, okay? So we know that the force is what? 300 newton. Multiplied by the distance is 20. So 300 times 20. If you press that on your calculator, you are going to get 6,000, and the unit of work done is joule. So now, this is the work done in the first phase. Now in the second phase, we have that work done in lifting the bag. So the second phase is work done in lifting the bag. Now when you are lifting something up, work done is given as mgh. That's mass times acceleration due to gravity times height. When you are lifting something, this is the formula for work done. Now the mass of the bag is 65 kg. So you say 65 multiplied by g. G is a constant and the value is 10 meters per second. So you just write 10 meters per second multiplied by height. How high is it? Which is 0.75. So now we have 65 times 10 times 0.75. And if we do that on our calculator, we are going to have 487.5 joules. So from here now, what you say is that the total work done, the entire work done in this thing, total work done is going to be, so you are going to add the work done in both the first phase and the second phase. So you say 600 plus 487. So 600 plus 487.5. And if you do that, so this is 6,000, not 600, please. So we are going to get 6,487.5 joule. So this is the total work done by this body. And so that's why I say always be careful and understand the question before you solve it.